Hi guys, welcome back to Simply Best for Living. Today is a recipe video with 3 smoothies that are heart healthy and very delicious. We recently started to incorporate more heart healthy ingredients into our diet, and smoothies are a great way to get lots of fiber and antioxidants into your daily routine. So I wanted to share these recipes with you guys. These smoothies are very delicious and they're great for breakfast, on the go, as a snack, or any time in the day. So let's get right into this recipe. The first smoothie is a strawberry kiwi smoothie. For the smoothie, you're going to need some fresh strawberries. You can also use frozen if you'd like. Some kiwis, a banana. We're going to use yogurt with some honey on top. I just drizzled it on top. You can add them separately. And then we're going to use some pumpkin seeds and some water. Now, pumpkin seeds are a very good source of magnesium, and healthy magnesium levels in your body are very important for blood pressure, heart health, bone health, and so much more. So you want to start off with the liquid at the bottom. So here we have our water, bananas, strawberries, and kiwis, and then we're going to just blend it until it gets really smooth. Then we're going to go in with our pumpkin seeds and our yogurt. If you have a high-powered blender, you can dump everything in at once and then just blend it until very smooth. Now, I wanted to share that kiwis are very great for cardiovascular diseases and for cardiovascular health. There's a good amount of potassium in kiwi that helps lower blood pressure, and it has very low amounts of sodium, and that is really great for relaxing blood vessels throughout your body. Each of these recipes makes 2 servings, so you can have one now and save one in the fridge for later. Now the next smoothie is an apple blackberry smoothie. You can use any berry of your choice. We're going to use apples, blackberries, avocado, some water, and then I'm using a green powder. It is a blend of different greens in powder form. You can use any greens of your choice. If you want to use spinach, kale, whatever you'd like, you can put it in there just instead. And this is a very fiber packed and very healthy smoothie. We're going to start off with the liquids and then add the apple. Here I'm doing it in 2 steps, but if you have a high-speed blender, you can use it, dump everything in at once. I'm now adding the avocado, blackberry, the super green powder, and if you're using greens, you dump it all in at this point and blend it, and your smoothie is ready. It's that easy. Now, blackberries are really good for your health. They're high in fiber and they help lower your cholesterol. And avocados are packed with monosaturated fats and they help lower your LDL levels. So it's great way to get your cholesterol down. I topped it off with some chia seeds for added omega-3s, and you have a delicious smoothie in no time. Now this next smoothie recipe is a personal favorite. It's a tropical pineapple smoothie. We're using spinach, pineapple, oranges, cucumber, some coconut water, and a squeeze of lemon juice. This is packed with fiber as always. It has high amounts of potassium because of the pineapple, very low in sodium. And then adding the greens to your smoothie is a wonderful way to boost your heart health. Spinach is actually a great source of omega-3 fats, and with every half cup cooked spinach, you get about 350 milligrams of omega-3 fats. Now I'm starting off with the coconut water. It's pink because it's bottled coconut water. It's 100% coconut water, all natural. From Thailand, and then I add the spinach and I blend it. Now I blend this several times because of my blender, but if you have a high-speed blender, you can dump everything in at once and just blend away. The lemon juice does add a great flavor to this, so try not to omit that. And then I served it over ice this particular day. You can add ice to your smoothie. Now these smoothies are very delicious, great source of all your vitamins and nutrients, great way to get your fruits and veggies in your daily diet, and they're incredibly healthy for you. So go ahead and give these smoothies a try. If you enjoy such recipes and want more smoothie recipes or heart healthy recipes, please let me know in the comment section below or by liking this video, and I'll be sure to share more recipes with you guys. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for notifications on all new videos. As always, please live blissfully, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Take care. Bye now.